Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are talking broken Mini 3 battery tabs and one product that might just help with that problem. If you are one of the folks who have encountered this unfortunate situation, you are not alone. This has been reported and discussed in many forums and Facebook groups. I personally believe that it's more than operator error and bad handling. I think the design is fundamentally flawed. I also suspect there have been some bad batches of batteries released for sale, which may explain why only some people are experiencing this issue. When I noticed cracks in the tabs of my batteries, I was away on holiday with my family, nowhere near an authorised DJI seller. So not wanting to miss out on capturing footage of our vacation, I weighed up the risks and opted to repair the cracks with super glue, which I must add has held together very well. Since then, I've also acquired this little device, which goes by the rather enthusiastic name of Battery Anti-Disconnect Buckle. It's a battery lock. It clips into place easily and stays pretty secure, coming off only when lifted upward from the rear end. It was just a few dollars on eBay and provides just a little bit more security for the battery. So that's been my solution. I accept the risk and I always carry out a thorough inspection before flying. Had I not been on vacation at the time, I probably would have taken the matter up with DJI or the authorised dealer to try and have the batteries replaced. But having carried out a DIY repair, I accept that I very likely voided the warranty. So have you had this issue with your batteries? I'd love to hear about other people's experience. Please feel free to comment below. Hey, thanks for checking out the video. Until next time, we'll catch you again soon.